This is the mind of a 3-year-old. Their imagination knows no bounds. They can't sit still. They jump, run, climb, jump some more. Yup, they can do this all day long. They learn with all their senses. They learn while playing. They learn by making connections with people who really care.
So how do you teach a 3-year-old?
At Green Acres, your child is at the center of everything we do. We understand their minds, their needs, their motivations to teach them better. You see, we've got some of the country's best minds behind us from the Acres Foundation. They find ways to teach the ICSE curriculum with a more social, creative and multisensorial approach.
We are going to put dots in the 10 frame for number 14.
So the first thing we did was change the way teachers interact with children.
This is circle teaching. Now they all sit at the same level to build a relationship based on affection, empathy and real connections. Our pioneering co-teaching model gives each class 4 teachers. The class is divided into 4 areas. The teachers sit with just 10 to 12 students to give each child individual attention. This way, complex topics can be taught in different ways, with each teacher explaining it slightly differently. We use active learning that engages all the senses of a child. Children learn not only by seeing and hearing, but also through touch, smell and movement to improve their understanding.
We focus on the 6 key areas of development that provide a lifelong foundation for your child.
Social and emotional growth, where children learn to be independent, make correct choices and develop social skills. The key skills for reading and writing.
Yes. Go and take your pencil. Hold the pencil in this.
We practice spoken language in groups to improve comprehension skills. Counting, the foundation for mathematics. Physical movement that builds strength and improves motor skills. And cognitive development of the mind, where we track each child's progress. We believe the key to success is continuous improvement, so we measure the performance of teachers. In fact, our teachers get compulsory coaching every week, workshops every month, and in-depth training sessions over the summer. Children learn best when their parents get more involved in what's happening in school every day. We use technology like the Seesaw app to give parents daily updates and remarks by their teachers. We bring in experts to help parents understand nutrition, teaching techniques and child development so they can better respond to their child's needs. Parent meetings enable them to tell us what they like and what needs changing. A school that puts your child at the center. No wonder Green Acres kids love coming here to learn and grow.